In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Wisconsin State. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what information to enter, how to confirm the details of your case, and how to complete payment safely and get a receipt for your records. First, open your browser and head to the official Wisconsin Court System ePay website. This is the statewide portal most Wisconsin courts use to process online payments for citations. Make sure you're on the official court site before you proceed. Look for the government domain and avoid third-party look-alike pages. The ePay portal is designed to let you search for your case and submit payments securely if your ticket is eligible. Once you're on the site, you'll need to locate your case. You can do that by entering your citation number, your case number, or your full name together with your date of birth. Use whatever you have handy from your ticket paperwork. Type carefully and double-check any numbers to avoid pulling up the wrong record. If your case is eligible for online payment, it will appear in the results. If nothing comes up, the ticket may not be in the system yet or may require payment directly through the local court, so consider checking back later or contacting the clerk for guidance. When your case appears, take a moment to review the details. Confirm the violation type to make sure you're paying for the correct citation. Look at the total amount due, including any court costs and fees, and note the payment deadline. This is also a good time to verify the court location listed on the case, especially if you received multiple citations. If anything looks off, pause and contact the court before you pay. If everything looks correct, select your case to continue to payment. The portal typically accepts major debit or credit cards. Enter your card information carefully, review the total again, and submit the payment. Expect to see a small convenience fee added by the processor. This is normal for online court payments and will be shown before you finalize. After you submit, wait for the confirmation screen to load and save proof of payment right away. Download the receipt if the option is available, or take a clear screenshot that shows the date, time, amount, and confirmation number. Keep this record somewhere safe in case you need to verify payment with the court or your insurer later. That's it. Quick, secure, and done from home. Thanks for watching and good luck resolving your ticket.